My attention has been drawn to various media articles regarding the unfortunate death of a friend, Careen. The articles unfortunately have suggested that I am wanted or being sought by the police as a suspect. In addition, the articles have suggested that I am on the run, which is absolutely false. The effect of the articles is the effect of casting aspersions on my reputation, for which I'm presently seeking legal advice with a view to taking appropriate action. The fact is that following the unfortunate demise of Careen, a number of persons, all of whom knew the deceased in one way or another, have been contacted by the police to determine whether or not they have useful information regarding the incident. I confirm that I have been in touch with the police at Kilimani Police Division on several occasions, as is the case with several other persons, and I am certain that I will be cleared of any wrongdoing or event that could have led to the unfortunate death of Careen. Finally, I would like to assure the Kenyan public that I am totally innocent, and I have no doubt that I will be vindicated at the end of the investigations. A lot of things will come out after the investigations, and a lot of things that are being discussed now. I have to be careful not to jeopardize the investigation, but our friendship, in the way that she was friends with me, was violently resisted by her parents. All right? It was violently resisted by her parents, and that is one of the issues where she was seeking help. Her parents beat her up. They did, not once, not twice, and it was an issue, and we did seek intervention about this, the violence that was meted out on her. We did seek assistance, we did seek intervention on it.
Where did you seek assistance?
We went to a family friend. We saw them 2 times. We had meetings with them. We went to their residence. And after that, my advice to Careen was, it is best to start documenting all these incidents. It is best that when you see the doctor, when you go there for assistance, have it documented, have it recorded, so that there can be a history of what is going on.
Okay, did you ever meet the parents?
By meet, do you mean did we have a sit down, or do I know them?
Yeah, did they confront you?
They never spoke to me directly on the issue. What the father would do is he would write letters and bring them, you know, he would write stuff and tell her, go show him this, you know, saying you will not be his friend, you will have nothing to do with him. And of course she would say, I cannot sign such a letter. And that would just bring about a whole new episode of violence.
At any one time, did you ever involve the police?
Well, there are certain incidences which we have reported on, and there are certain instances I've had discussions on, and yes, I don't want to go into that because they're looking into them.
He's talked of documenting some of the problems she was undergoing, and part of the documentation we learned she documented is that Louis Otieno, or LO, which implies Louis Otieno, was harassing her.
I think I saw that in one of the media articles, and it is one of the things that the police are looking into, whether or not it's a document that emanates from him or her or any third party. Those are the kind of things we'd like to sort of not comment specifically on.
We just want him to tell her whether he was harassing her in any way.
Okay, that's a good plan.
I was her friend. I was her friend, and if there was any issue of harassment, why would it be in a single note? There would have been a history of that. There would have been a history of notes or letters of protest or harassment. And probably even in the same manner I'm saying, it's good to record those things and have them documented. She then would have done the same if that was the issue. So this single allegation of harassment, I am not clear. I am not clear what it is about, and as you've been told, it is being investigated. How can I be on the run when you can confirm from the police that I have been there from the date of this incident? I have been there several times, of my own volition, by the way. I have not had any harassment, or I have not been held by the police at any one time. I have not been picked up by the police at any one time. And I have been seen. There are those who can see me now, and as they're watching me now, they know they've seen me in public places. I have been driving in Nairobi traffic. I've been to the airport. I've been to the malls. How is it possible to be so visible and yet be on the run?
Do you regard yourself as a suspect or a witness?
All I know is I lost a friend. And I, as much as the next person, I would want to know what happened to her.
Do you have information which could help the police get the killers?
If I had anything, it is the police I will tell.
But the fact that police have taken DNA samples from you and been questioning you about this, I see you as a suspect in the case. Will it be a bad test to verify you to a suspect in this matter?
Of course it would be in bad taste. I did that because I was cooperating. It was part of my cooperation. In all my visits to the police station, I have gone unaccompanied. This is the first time I am sitting next to legal counsel. All right? I've been there by myself, and each time I've been there, I've been able to go in and leave after a discussion or whatever I wanted. Police suggested to me, this could be a scientific way to absolve you, to clear you, to say definitely that you were not present, which is why I volunteered to do it. I could have done something else and said, I don't want to do this. Am I a suspect? I could have resisted. But because I'm driven by the fact that I am innocent, and I'm driven by the fact that I would like to know the truth.
How would you describe yourself as a person?
In what way? More specific.
Are you violent?
I didn't hear that.
Are you violent?
I have no history of violence. Ever. From school, from growing up to my adult age, I do not have history of violence. I have...
There's a short statement.
that's my written statement. You can pick it if you need to make reference.
This is yours. That's yours?
Oh, this is mine.